Yo, what's up, everybody? This is not ABT phone repair and maintenance shop, you know what I mean? So, to the world, what's poppin', man? What's this up?
Today outside, ABT phone maintenance and repair. We can your phone, like it died, it come alive.
Okay.
Yeah, Jamil here. We outside within a shop, one of the best phone repair shop at Jui. Come by A1 services, you meet with opposite A1 services.
Okay.
The best service.
Yeah, so superstar.
This is a reflex on the mic though. Watch, me not to English, I mean like human, you understand it? Come na ABT a shop, not afraid for meet anybody who you see, you understand? Everybody not trained and qualified doctors, them then yeah.
So good,
Get
so
a
good.
point for all type phone.
So good.
Android, Apple, desire.
Anyhow.
Even if you get system crash, you understand? You yourself. Lose some battery.
Wow.
Get a point, right?
You get? It's not ABT phone.
Maintenance and repair.
Shop.